We're on track to provide full 5G coverage in our anchorages, fairways, terminals, and boarding grounds by mid-2025. 12 maritime 5G base stations will be set up, of which 3 will be ready by 2023 to support the testing and development of new applications such as remote pilotage and digital bunkering. MPA will launch its next-generation vessel traffic management system in 2025. This uses data analytics and machine learning to enable our port to safely handle more complex and numerous vessel movements. We'll launch a tender to develop the system prototype this year for testing in a real-time operating environment. Mr. Satyandi also asked about digital oceans. MPA worked with the China Maritime Safety Administration to develop and trial standards for the exchange of electronic certificates and port clearance data to facilitate efficient vessel clearance. The standards will be operationalized for ships traveling between the port of Guangzhou and Singapore later this year. China and Singapore have also submitted a joint paper to the IMO to promote global adoption of these standards. Another key enabler is common data infrastructures. They facilitate trusted and secure data sharing, resulting in better visibility and increased efficiency across the supply chain. Ms. Janet Ang asked about the development of the Singapore Trade Data Exchange, or SG TradeX. Last year, MPA co-funded a data sharing pilot for ship supplies procurement and lighterage logistics with SG TradeX, Jurong Port, and other partners. The pilot reduces manual data reconciliation and can save the industry over $20 million annually. In 2022, MPA expanded the industry digital plan to all sea transport subsectors. More than 3,000 SMEs can now apply for funding support to adopt pre-approved digital solutions, and I encourage them to do so. So I agree with Mr. Satyandi that digitalization will increase cyber attack risk. We need robust cyber defenses. First, for critical information infrastructure in MPA and our port operators, we have upgraded the existing Maritime Security Operations Center with more advanced capabilities to enhance early threat detection, monitoring, response, information sharing, and analysis. As cyber threats evolve, we will continue to expand our capabilities. Next, MPA will establish a Maritime Cyber Assurance and Operations Center in collaboration with the industry. When fully operational in 2025, it will provide real-time security monitoring and disseminate information to mitigate cyber threats, advise on post-incident measures, and facilitate information sharing and training for stakeholders.